enhancement of that DOM manipulations? Can I go for the enhancement of DOM manipulations, guys? Yes, sir. Can I work with the attributes, guys? Can I work with the attributes? Respond, guys. Can I work with the attributes? Yes, let me work with the attributes. Fine. Guys, can I go for the DOM5 DOM5.html? Let me go for the DOM5.html. Guys, once if we go for the DOM5.html, guys, what is the doc type we need to take? Answer. What is the doc type we need to take? Not to doc type HTML. Guys, what is the root element we need to take? HTML. HTML divided into how many sections? Two sections. Head sections. Second one is the head section. Second one is the body section. Fine. Under the body section, take the division. You need to take the division. Under the division, take the two spans. Span one. Span one. Next one is the what you wanted to place span two. Span one equal to, we need to specify the span one. Next one is the what you wanted to specify span two. Totally how many spans we need to take? Totally how many spans we need to take? Two spans. Span one. Next one is the span two. Nearly two spans we need to take care. Fun guys, say this fun here. ID equal to sp1. ID equal to sp1. Guys, ID equal to sp2. Guys, what is the ID for the first span? sp1. What is the ID for the second span? sp2. sp2. Can I take the script tag here?
Yes.
Can I take the script tag here? Why not? Script tag. Not only that one here, just to take the one more attribute also. Title equal to, and here itself we need to place some hello. Guys, who is the, what is the element we have? Division. Under the division, under the division, how many spans we have?
Two spans.
Spans. What are the IDs for that spans?
SP1, SP2.
sp2. What is the attribute we have? Title equal to hello. Leave it here. That one we need to leave it here. Just ignore it here. One goes to say this one again. Here itself. Can I get the reference of the division?
Yes.
Can I get the reference of the division? How can I get reference of the division? Constant division equal to constant division equal to documented dot query selector. Documented dot query selector of which one? Division. Guys, can I get the reference of the sp1?
Yes.
Can I get the reference of the sp1? You people need to tell here, get the reference of the sp1. So how can I get the reference of the sp1? Guys, constant span one equal to documented on query selector. Documented query selector of hash sp1. Hash here because ID na, how to recognize the ID? Hash. Guys, can I get the reference of sp2?
Yes.
Respond. Can I get the reference of sp2? Yes. Let me get the reference of the sp2 here. How can I get the reference of the sp2? Constant span2 equal to documented dot query selector of hash sp2. Hash what? Hash sp2. Sandeep, how many references you got it here?
3 references.
Sandeep, how many references you got it here? 3 references. Can we check the output here?
Yes.
Let me check the output. Here itself we need to check the output. What are the output we have here? That output we need to check. Okay, so this one we need to check here. One, try to see this one again. Guys, so how to make a pin that one, guys? We need to pin it here. Guys, anyone knows how to use the disk pins? I want to use the disk pins, guys. How can I use it again? Because if I go for the disk pins, it will be still like this, guys. It won't hide here. It won't hide here. It will be still like that.
Yeah, it can be do, sir.
How? Shankar,
remove pin, sir.
Remove na? Go to the pins. We need to go to the pins. Go to the pins here. I think it's gone here. Later we will see it here, guys. Because if I go for that one, it will be stick like that here. It won't be. I think no need to go for maximize or something here. It will be pin like that one. Correct? Desk pins, guys. Yes, guys. See this one here. Sandeep, how many references you got?
3 references.
Sandeep, remove the span one. I'm asking you, remove the span one. How can you remove span one? One. The first approach to remove span one. First solution. The first solution is span one dot remove. Sandeep, simple solution. What is the first solution? Span 1 dot remove. Fine. Sandeep, say this one. Kya? Remove span 2. How to remove span 2? Span 2 dot remove. Span 2 dot remove. Gone.
Yes, sir.
This is the first solution. Sandeep, I'm asking you, add it once again. After removing, add it once again. How can you add it once again? Add it once again. Kya?
Dot create element.
No. Division dot, add it once again. Division dot, append the child of, what you want to add. Append or append child, anything na? Append of, append of, what you want to add? Span 1. Add the span 1 here. Here itself we need to add the span 1. Because why we added the two things here? Two things are added na? Fine.
Yes, sir.
See this one here. Division dot, append the child. Division dot, append of, what you want to add? Span 2 na? Span 2. Guys, so span 1, span 2. Both the things are added or not? Both the things are added.
Yes.
Remove this one here. We need to remove this one here. If we remove this one here. Both the things are removed na? Refresh it here.
Yes.
No. No here. Because see this one here. Span 1 removed na?
Yes, sir.
Span 2 removed na? Yes, so
Yes.
span 1 removed, span 2 removed. Sandeep, I'm asking you, add it. How can you add? Division dot,
Division dot
append of span 1. Span 1. Can I add the span 2 once again, Ken?
Yes.
Division dot, append
span
of span 2. Guys, what is the simple method to remove?
Remove function.
Remove function. Remove function is used to remove that element. Guys, can you tell the long approach? Remove from division itself. Don't remove directly. Now, Shankar, don't remove directly. Don't remove the span 1 directly.
Yes,
Remove from parent itself. Remove from parent itself. How can you remove parent itself? Second solution. Sandeep, how to remove? What is the method you called?
Remove function.
Remove. Sandeep, don't remove directly. Remove from parent itself. Who is the parent?
Division.
Division.
Division dot remove child. Division dot remove child of what you want to remove? Span 1.
Span 1.
Who removed?
Span 1.
Span 1. Remove the span 2 also. Remove the span 2 also. How to remove the span 2? Division dot
remove child
dot remove child of
span 2.
span 2. That's it. Both are gone or not? Both are the gone. Fine. Listen the point once again, because you people need to listen once again. Shankar, how many references you got? Shankar, how many references we got?
Three.
Division you got it here. Division
Three.
you got it here. Next one is the span 1. Span 1 you got it here. Span 2 you got it here. Fine. Remove the elements. Sandeep, remove the span 1. Remove it. Span 1 dot remove. Span 1 dot remove. Mute yourself here, someone. Mute yourself. Gone. Remove the span 2. Remove the span 2. Span 2 dot remove. Gone. It will gone. Yes, I think I'm not asking you the solution 1. I need the solution 2 also. Can you tell the solution 2 also?
Yes.
Solution 2.
Dot.
Can you tell the solution 2 here?
Division dot.
Division dot.
Remove.
No. Remove child. Remove child of span 1. Span 1. Gana.
Yes.
Remove the span 2 also. Remove the span 2 also. Division dot.
Remove
Remove child of span 2. Gana. Both the things are gone.
Yes.
Two solutions are there. To remove it here, directly we can remove here, or parent onwards also we can remove here. So leave it here. These two things you people need to leave it here. Guys, next one. Let me go for the attributes, guys. This is the attribute 1 na.
Yes.
This is the attribute 2 na.
Yes.
This is the attribute 1 na. Yes, guys. Coming to the first span, is it the attribute 1?
Yes.
Array, tell me here, is
Yes,
it
sir.
attribute 2?
Yes.
Yes.
sir.
Is it attribute 1? Yes.
Yes.
Naveen, say this one here. How to access the attributes? So many ways are there, guys. Access the attributes. How to access? First solution. The first solution is the console dot log of. See this one here. Span 1 dot. See this one here. Get attribute. Get attribute. Which attribute you need? ID. Which attribute you need here? ID. Guys, are we getting the, say this one here, get attribute of ID? What is the ID here?
SP1.
SP1. Are we getting or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, we are getting here. Guys, try to say this one here, access the attributes, because you people need to access the attributes. Guys, coming to the span one, how many attributes we have?
Two
The
attributes.
attribute.
2 attributes. How to get the attributes? I need to get the attributes. Console dot log of Sandeep.
Yes,
See this one here. Span one na?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
not? Span one. Span one dot
Get
get
attribute.
attribute of which attribute? ID.
Parts.
ID.
Yes, you got the SP1 na?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes,
sir.
sir. Get the attribute to 2. How can you get attribute to 2? Console dot log of
Log of
answer. Console
Span
dot log
one
of
dot
console dot
get
log of
attribute of
span one dot
title.
span one dot
Get
get
attribute.
attribute of
Title.
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 Get attribute of title. Automatically we are getting the title now.
Yes.
Yes, guys, this is the vast solution here. This is the old solution, but the latest solution is there. We have the one more latest solution. That the latest solution is the console dot log off. Console dot log off span one dot ID directly. Directly. Yes, we are getting the answer or not? No
Yes.
need
Yes.
to go for
Yes,
the
sir.
get attribute. Get attribute is the vast solution, old solution. But what is the latest solution? Span one
Span
dot ID.
ID.
Automatically we can get it. Sandeep, how to access another thing here? Console dot console dot log off
Span one dot
span one
dot title.
span one dot what you wanted to specify? Title.
Span one, sir.
Span one dot, see this one here, span one dot title. Span one dot title, automatically we can access it. Is automatically we're able to access or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. To access attribute, what is the old solution?
Get
Get
attribute.
attribute.
What is the latest solution? Directly. Directly. Okay, now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Not only accessing the attribute, we can create the new attribute also. We can create the new attribute also. No need to worry here how to create the new attribute. Span one dot set attribute. Span one dot set attribute. Set attribute of, see this one here itself, see this one here, key one equal to value one, key one equal to value one here. Sandeep, totally how many attributes we have now? Span one contain how many attributes? Span one contain 3 attributes. First
Three
attribute
attribute.
3, no verse 2, 3.
Three.
First one is the
ID.
ID. Second one is the
title.
title. Third one is the
Key
one.
key one. Fine. Can you tell me here how to access it here? How to access it here? Console.log of span one dot
key
ID. Okay, na? Next one. Span one dot
title.
title. Span one dot title. Next one. Span one dot
Key one.
key one. Key one not getting na?
No, sir.
Where we kept the comma?
Set attribute.
Set attribute of
G1 comma value 1.
Sir.
right now. This is right here.
Right, sir.
Comma, this is a comma here na? Comma is there.
Yes.
Set attribute of span one dot set attribute of key one comma value one. It's right here. It's not the wrong. It's right. Check the 1 second. Set attribute of name comma value. Correct now? This is the correct here. This is the correct.
Yes, sir.
Just check the DOM itself. We need to go to the DOM itself here. Let me go for the DOM itself here. How can I say the DOM itself? Go to the element itself. Go to the element itself. Once if you go to the element itself, division na?
Yes.
Guys, key one equal to
Value.
right. It's there here. It's there. Added or not?
Added.
Added here, but access it here. How can't I? Why can't I access it here? Console dot log off. Console dot log off. See this one here. Span one dot key one na?
Yes. Key
Just to go for the key one here, span one dot key one. If I go for the span one dot key one, guys, go for the get attribute. Go for the get attribute here. Get attribute of what you wanted to specify key one. Yes, we got it now.
Yes.
But guys, what's the point we need to do? Myself also new point here. I think this is a new point here. Guys, After adding the attribute, after adding the attribute, if I go for the key one, latest solution, are we getting?
No.
No, latest solution. No, it's a new point to me also, guys, because I don't know, because before seeing this one, I don't know that one. After adding the attribute, if I call the latest solution, is it working?
No, sir.
No.
Always old is gold, na? Old is gold. So span one dot, get
Get
attribute
Get
of,
attribute
get
of
attribute
Q1.
of what you wanted to specify, key one. Now we got the answer, na? Yes, now we got the
Yes.
answer. Guys, in how many ways can I get the attributes?
Two
Two
ways.
ways. What is the old approach?
Get
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 attribute.
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 What is the latest approach?
Direct.
Span one dot ID.
Directly span.
Yeah, guys, you may tell one point to me here, sir, these kind of issues are there, why the Netscape company not fixed? Netscape company fix it here. Netscape company, they will fix it. But these kind of loopholes are still present into JavaScript. But compared to 10 years back JavaScript, now JavaScript is completely different, guys. Still Netscape company working on the enhancements on the JavaScript. Guys, at present here, but wrong assumptions we have in our mind here. JavaScript equivalent to core Java. Whether we're accepting or not, I don't know. How much power is there in the core Java? You people are coming from the Java background now. How much power available with the core Java? Same kind of features are available with the JavaScript also. I think JavaScript increased like that. JavaScript features increase like that here. Fine, guys. After that, try to see this fun here. Try to see this fun here, guys. I need to remove it here. Yeah, see this fun here. Yeah, guys, how to remove it here? Can you help me here? How to remove
Yes,
that
sir.
fun here? I want to remove that one. How can I remove that
Span
one here?
one dot
Span
remove.
one, guys. Span one dot
Dot
remove attribute.
remove.
No, remove attribute. I need to remove only attribute. Remove attribute of what you want to remove ID here.
ID.
We need to remove the ID here. Check the DOM here whether the element removed or not. You need to go for the span one now. ID is removed now.
Yes.
Yes, ID is removed.
Remove the
Title.
title also. Remove the title also. How can you remove the title here? Span one dot remove attribute. Remove attribute of what
Title.
you wanted to remove here. We need to remove the title also.
Yes.
Guys, the title also remove now. Remove this ID also. Remove the second ID also. How can you remove here? Span one
Span
dot
two.
span two.
Two dot.
Span two dot
Remove attribute of ID.
ID.
Yes, remove now.
Yes.
Removed or not? Removed.
Yes.
Fine. Guys, let me maintain the clarity, guys, because don't go for this much of. I think while practicing, it will be difficult to guys, because to practice itself, you need the clear cut notes or not. Fine, guys. How many references you got?
Three
Three
reference.
different.
Division, span one,
Span one.
Span
Span two.
one. Next one is the span two. Division, span one. Next one is the span two. Here itself, we have the two things here. Let me go for the two things. Division. Next one is the span one. Next one is the span two. And here itself, we have the three divisions here. Fine. Let me go for the three divisions. Fine. Next one. After going to the three divisions, guys. After going to the three divisions here, try to say this one here. Three divisions here. Sandeep,
Yes.
remove. You need to remove.
Yes.
To remove, what is the first solution?
Span one.
To remove, what is the first solution? You need to go for the first
Remove
solution.
function.
What is the first solution you need to use here? What is the
Remove
first
function.
solution we need to use
Remove
here? Can I
function.
tell the first solution here? The first solution is remove function. Span one,
Dot.
span one dot remove.
Remove.
Span one dot remove. Guys, this is the solution number one. Yes, remove na. Fine. Sandeep,
Yes.
go for the solution two. Solution two.
Division.
Second solution. What is the second solution?
Division
Division dot
remove child.
remove child. Division dot we need to go for the division dot we need to go for the remove child. Remove child of what
Span
you want to remove? Span two. Span to remove here. What are the span to we have here? The span to remove here. Okay now. So guys, how many things see this span here? Remove is perfect now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, guys. Can you put the focus on the attributes?
Yes.
Let
Yes.
me put the focus on the attributes. We need to put the focus on the attributes. Guys, first of all, read attributes. First of all, read attributes. Guys, solution one. Solution, what is the solution one?
Console dot
log off. Console dot log off. See this
Get
fun
at
here. Span one. Span one dot ID na. Span one dot ID na.
Yes, sir.
Latest solution, guys.
Yeah,
Yes,
Span
sir.
one dot.
Yes, sir.
Span one dot title na.
Title.
Title.
Span one dot title. This is the latest solution. Yes. And another solution. What is the solution to?
Get at
What is the
Get
solution to?
attribute.
Get attribute.
Solution to is the console dot
log of
log of see this
span
one
one
here
dot
span
Span
2 na
one dot.
span
span 2
two
dot
get
or
Dot
span
attribute.
1 anything here we can use anything here span 1 dot get attribute of span 1 dot get attribute of id na
ID.
span 1 dot get attribute of id. Yes, access the second attribute also. How can I access span 1
Span
dot
two
span 1 dot get
get
attribute of get
title.
attribute of
Title.
title. Span 1 dot get attribute of title. Yes, we got it here. Totally how many solutions we have?
Two solutions.
Two solutions. Solution 1 series one here. This is the solution 1. Next one is the solution 2. We have the two solutions. Fine. Not only reading the attributes, not only reading the attributes here, and here itself we need to not only reading the attributes here, we need to add the attributes
Set the
also.
attributes.
We need to add the attributes also. So guys, what is the first solution? What is the
Span
first
one dot
solution?
attribute.
Guys,
set
solution
attribute.
1. What is the solution 1 here? Span 1.
Dot
Span 1 dot anyone.
set
Span 1 dot
attribute.
span 1 dot set attribute. Set attribute of say this one here. Key 1 equal to key 1 equal to what you wanted to specify. Key 1 equal to value 1. Key 1 equal to value 1. Guys, how to add it another thing here? Span 1 dot span 1 dot set attribute of span 1 dot set attribute of key 2 equal to key 2 equal to what you wanted to specify value 2. Yeah, key 2 equal to what you wanted to specify here value 2. How many attributes we added here?
Two attributes.
Two attributes we added here. Can I check the DOM also? We need to check the DOM here. If we check the DOM here, then we can see it here. Yes, key 1, key 2 added or not?
Added.
Yes, but we added by using the old approach na?
Yes.
Old approach. Can you add by using the latest approach? Can we add by using latest approach? Tell me here. Solution 2. How to add by using latest approach? Span 1, span 1 dot, span 1 dot, key 1 equal to, span 1 dot, key 1 equal to, value 1 na? Value 1. Span 1 dot, talk with me. Span 1 dot, key 2 equal to, span 1 dot, key 2. Span 1 dot, key 2 equal to, what you wanted to specify, value 2. Yes. No, not added na? Added or not?
No, sir.
Why?
No, sir.
Why? It should add na? No, guys, we can't add it.
No, sir.
Can I add it or not? No, na?
No,
No.
sir.
Only one solution is there, na?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Only set attribute.
Okay, fine. I will check that one. Just remember that one. But we can add directly or not. We need to check. Guys, remove it, guys. We need to remove. How can I remove here? How can I remove here? Will you people tell me how can I remove here? Guys,
Span
And
one dot
One dot remove.
remove attribute of
of
one second here.
ID.
Remove attribute na? Remove
Yes.
attribute of which attribute?
ID.
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 Remove the second one also. Span 1 na? Guys, go for the span 1. Span 1 dot remove attribute. Guys, span 1 dot remove attribute of which attribute? Title.
Title.
Check this one, guys, whether removed or not. Guys, removed, both the things are removed now.
Yes, sir.
Remove the ID for the span 2 also. How to remove the ID for the span 2?
And two dot
Span 2 dot
remove
remove attribute of ID. Remove na.
Yes, sir.
Guys, everything is removed now. Yes, guys, so totally how many things be seen? Guys, if you miss something here, try to get it from the Google itself here. Guys, I'm thinking like adding also two ways are possible, but it's not accepting it. Check with the Google. Guys, first one, what is the first one here? How to remove the element itself. First one is the direct remove. Second one is the remove from parent itself.
From the
Fine.
parent.
Next one, coming to the attributes. First of all, we need to read the attributes. Next one, add the attributes.
Add the
Next one is the
remove that.
remove the attributes. Add the attributes. Next one is the add the attributes. Next one is the what is the next one? Remove the attributes. Fine, guys. Let me go for the few more attributes, guys. But you may not here. Let me create another thing here, guys. Let me go for the one more thing here. Fine. Here itself, what we need to place here, and here itself, we need to place the DOM6. DOM6.html we need to create. Guys, under this one, not to doc type HTML. Who is the root element? HTML. Guys, can I take the H1 here? Can I take the H1 here? Guys, not only attributes here. Maybe if I got the chance, guys, here, I will tell one more special attributes are there. Data hyphen text one equal to some hello one. Guys, so see this one here. Data hyphen data hyphen text2 equal to some hello to. Guys, if I got the chance here in the regular classes, I will tell you once again here, not only attributes here, these attributes we can call the data attributes. How can I read data attributes? Here itself, we need to read the data attributes. How can I read it here? Guys, see this one here. Here itself, we need to take the script tag. Guys, console dot log off. No, script tag. First of all, access the h1. Guys, will you people tell me how to access the h1? Constant h1 equal to, tell me here, constant h1 equal to documented on query
Query
selector of
selector.
query selector
H1.
of h1. Guys, these are not the normal attributes. ID, title, not like this here. These attributes we can call data attributes. Whatever the attributes we have, these attributes we can call the data attributes. Guys, console dot log of h1. Console dot log of h1, see this one here, h1 dot what you wanted to place here, data set. Simply we need to place the data set. Console dot log of, and here itself we need to place the data set. Yes, we got it or not?
Yes.
Guys, how to access data attributes with the help of which property?
Data set.
Data set. Guys, I think don't be rushed regarding the data attributes here. We will see it once again when to go for the data attributes. Guys, out of this one, what is the first one we have? What is the first one we have? We have the text one here. Next one, h1 dot data set dot. What is the next one here? And here itself we need to go for the text two. Text one, next one is the text two. So automatically we are getting the hello one and hello two. Guys, try to see this one. Can I add or not? We need to see. Guys, h1 dot data set dot h1 dot data set dot text 3. Text 3 equal to, we need to place some hello 3. Verify it. Whether we can add or not, we need to verify here. No, we are unable to add now.
Sir, I think it's added.
Added now?
Yes, sir.
Sure now? Yeah, added here. Already added here. Verify this one. Guys, added or not?
Yes, sir, added, sir.
Yes, sir, added.
Added or not? Added. Guys, we have the two types of attributes, guys. Normal attributes. Next one is the data attributes. Because everyone feeling here, ourselves also, myself also, I think like only one type of attribute is there. We have the two types of attributes. Normal attributes are there and the data attributes are there. Guys, give me some time here. In the regular classes, I will tell you when to go for the data attributes. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, how to access the data attributes? What is the property we have? What is the property we have?
Data set.
Data set
Set.
property. Data set property here. Can I add the dynamic data attribute? Yes,
Yes,
we can add
sir.
the
Yes.
dynamic data attribute here. Fine. Guys, let me go for the another thing here. Guys, let me create one folder here. The folder is the down
Can
folder.
we change the attribute values, sir?
Why not? We can change it. Yeah, let me go through up to now here. Guys, will you people tell me here all the methods here? I hope I think like I discussed around 10 plus methods to you. Yes or not? Yeah, 10 plus methods we discussed here. Just give me the option here. What are the different methods we discussed here? Guys, can you tell all the methods in the DOM manipulations, whatever we discussed up to now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, the first one.
Child,
Append.
Document.
Mm,
documents dot
First,
poly.
Document dot
append, sir.
first one is the append, na?
Append.
Append. Second one is the
Append
Append
child.
child.
Append child.
second one is the append child. Third one is the
Inner text.
Text content and
sure.
inner text.
Inner text is there, na? Inner text is
Inner
there.
text.
Inner text. Next
Text
one.
Content.
Text content.
Inner
Text
text.
content.
Next one is the text
Text
content.
content.
Text
Inner
content. Next
HTML.
one is the inner
Inner HTML.
inner HTML.
HTML.
One more thing is inner HTML. Next one, inner HTML. Next one, query selector, na?
Query
Query
selector.
selector.
One more thing is the query selector. And here itself we have the one more thing here, query selector is there. Next one,
Create element.
Create element.
create selector. Next one is the create element, na?
Create element.
Yes,
Create
sir.
element. Next one,
Remove.
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 remove element. Here itself remove here. Next one,
Remove
Remove
child.
Remove
Remove
child.
child. Remove child. Okay. Remove is there. Next one is the remove child. Next one.
Get attribute.
Get attributes.
Next one is the get attributes. Get attributes. Second one is the
Set
second one is
attributes.
the set attributes. Next one is the first one is the get attributes. Second one is the set attributes. Next one. Any other thing we discussed?
Remove attribute.
Remove attribute.
Yeah, one more function we have here. The one more function is the remove attribute function. Here itself we have the one more function. The function is the remove attribute. Any
Data
other
set.
Data.
data set na data set properties never saying the properties na data set. Here itself we have the one more property. The property is the data set. Guys, these many number of things we discussed from the morning onwards or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, these many number of things we discussed. Guys, don't think this is over. No. Still we have the so many things, guys. Like a query selector all, query selector all. Demo 2 to down to na. Ramakrishna, I'm not getting. Fine. Yeah. Say this one here. So guys, query selector all, and these kind of things are there. So guys, give me some time here in the tomorrow session, guys. I will do something here. We will open some questions, guys. Some interview panel questions. First of all, let me take the session after the 1.5 hour. 7 to 8:30, I will take the class. Last to half an hour, I will open the interview panel questions on the DOM manipulations. Then I will put in front of you. Then we will check how we can answer or whether we're able to answer or we will see. Okay, na? Still
Yes.
10 more methods are there. If I cover still 10 more methods here, then it will be over here. First 7 to 8:30, guys, I will discuss with you normal. I think 10 more methods are there. Query selector all, like a documented out of write function. These kind of functions are there. These functions I will discuss with you initially. After completing that one, then we need to go for the some predefined interview panel questions on the DOM manipulations. So 2.5 hours here. If I take the one more 2.5 hours, then it will be over. Okay, na? Fine. Tomorrow, guys, 7 to 9:30. 7 to 9:30, we will take the class. 7 to 9 or 7 to 9:30, we will take the class, guys. Guys, in the under regular class students, not out of the people, the regular class students. Guys, in the HTML, I think Ajax call is there, na? Ajax calls.
Sir.
Yeah, Ajax calls, guys. Under the Ajax calls, only one session is I need to tell, na?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
I think I will tell it here. Can I take tomorrow, guys? Tomorrow morning 6 to 7. Tomorrow morning
Yes,
6
sir.
to 7 here. Guys,
It's
don't
okay.
ask me. Yeah, guys, one point I will tell you. You may ask, sir, you are saying today also you need to take, but classes are heavy classes here. But anyhow, I'm justifying my role here. But tomorrow here, I will try to take it 6 to 7. Just to join at 6 to 7 with the same meeting ID, guys. Same meeting ID. So 1 hour I will take on the advanced Rajax, like headers, how to pass the headers or something I will tell you. After completing that one, then we need to go for the DOM manipulation. So by the end of tomorrow, guys, by the end of tomorrow at 9:30 at the time, 2 chapters we can close. Ajax calls we can close here. Next one is the DOM manipulations we need to close. If I close these 2 things, guys, only within 1 week we can close our regular syllabus also. Okay, na? Fine. Guys, so tomorrow at 6 o'clock here, please join the session again. 6 to
Yes, sir.
7 promises, and 7 onwards we need to go for the DOM manipulations. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, our